Hello everyone, welcome back to Maltida Crochet, and this is going to be the final tutorial for this year, moving to 2025. I'm so excited, so let's crochet the year 2025. So I'm using this first yarn. I'm going to be doing the number 0. So I'm using 2 strands of yarn together because this yarn is thin, so I'm just using 2 strands of yarn together. So we're starting with the number 0, crocheting the year 2025. So I'm going to start with chain 12. So now I have 12 chains. Now I go back to the first stitch and do a slip stitch into the first stitch, and now we have the circle. So now I'm going to do into the circle 20 double crochets. So I'm going to walk around the circle 20 double crochets to make the number 0. So now I am done with 20 double crochets. I'm going to slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet, the slip stitch, and there we have it, number 0. I'm just going to weave in my hands, so I'm just going to use my hands to flatten it out. Moving on to number 2, so slip stitch. I'm going to chain 3, now back into the first chain. I chain 3 and I go back into the first chain and do a double crochet. So into that chain I'm going to work 11 double crochets. So now I have 14 double crochets there. I'm going to chain 11. So I'm going to chain 11. And I have 11 chains. I'm going to turn that around and work in the back bum. So from the second chain, skip 1. From the second chain, I'm going to do 1 double crochet into the back bum till I get to the end. So into each stage in the back bum, I'm going to work 1 double crochet. Now that I'm done, I'm at the end, so I'm just going to do a slip stitch into that little circle in between there, just to attach. And I'm running out of yarn here, so I'm just going to quite difficult. I'm just going to do a slip stitch, and that's the end. Slip stitch, and I'm just going to use my hands to flatten it and just turn, and that is the number 2. So we'll just turn it on the other side and we have the number 2. I'm just going to use a darn needle to hold it down there. So moving on to number 5, I'm not going to double my yarn here. So I'm going to chain 21, and from the second stage I'm going to work 1 double crochet. From the second stitch, 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet. So I'm going to work 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, and that's the second one, and there's the third one. So we have a total of 4 double crochets. Now into the next stitch I'm going to work 4 double crochets, into the same stitch 4 double crochet. Now into the next 2 stitches I'm going to work 1 double crochet each, into the next 1 double crochet, and into the next 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch I'm going to work 5 double crochet into that same stitch, 5 double crochet into the same stitch. Now I'm done with 5 double crochets there. So I'm going to do 1 double crochet into 2 stitches. And how to do that is you go into that yarn, pull through 2, you have 2 loops, yarn over, go into the next, pull through 2, you have 3, pull through everything. And that's a double crochet into 2 stitches. We're going to repeat that for 4 times. So I go into the next stitch, pull through 2, I have 3, pull through everything. And one more time, yarn over, pull through 2, then I'm going to yarn over, go into the next without completing it, into the next stitch, pull through 2, I have 3 loops on my hook, pull through everything. Then I'm going to do that for 1 more time, and after that I'm going to have 4 chains left. I'm going to do 1 double crochet each into the 4 chains. So I'm done now. I'm just going to chain 1 and fasten off, and I'm just going to turn my work, turn it around to get the, just turn it around like that, and then you have the number 5. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Happy New Year in advance. Thank you, and see you in the next one.